The Lamborghini Urus is a luxury SUV manufactured by Italian automobile manufacturer Lamborghini. It was introduced in December 2017 as a 2018 model year production vehicle. The Urus is the first Lamborghini SUV and five-door vehicle in the modern era, and the second SUV in the brand's history after the LMZ 2, which was produced between 1986 and 1993. Built on the Volkswagen Group MLB Evo platform, the Urus shares many components with other Volkswagen Group luxury SUVs, such as the Audi Q7, Bentley Bentayga, Porsche Cayenne, and Volkswagen Touareg. With a top speed of 305 km/h, 100 image, the Urus is considered as one of the fastest production SUVs in the world. The name comes from the Urus, the ancestor of modern domestic cattle, also known as the Aurochs. The Lamborghini Urus is significantly lighter than many of its competitors, i.e. the BMW X6M, Bentley Bentayga, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan, but not the Porsche Cayenne, at less than 200 kW 250 Lautbil, as quoted by the manufacturer, mainly because of the extensive usage of carbon fiber reinforced polymer, despite using the same platform as the Audi Q7, Bentley Bentayga, Porsche Cayenne, and Volkswagen Touareg. The Urus has a front-engine all-wheel drive layout and a top speed of 305 km/h, 190 mph, making it one of the world's fastest production SUVs. The Urus can accelerate from 0-100 km/h, 62 mph, in 3.6 seconds, and 0-200 km/h, 124 mph, in 12.8 seconds. Lamborghini has developed the world's largest set of carbon ceramic disc brakes for the Urus at the time of its release, with 440 mm May 732 discs in the front and 370 mm 1457 discs in the rear, using 10-piston calipers at the front and single-piston calipers at the rear. The all-wheel drive system of the Urus under normal driving sends 40% of the available torque to the front wheels and 60% to the rear wheels. It also uses torque vectoring to send as much as 70% to the front or 87% to the rear when necessary. The SUV also features rear-wheel steering and an air suspension system that can provide a maximum of 250 mm, 9.8 in, of ground clearance for off-road use. The SUV is available with an optional off-road package, which includes modified front and rear bumpers that are better suited to the task.